Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making jollof rice with crockpot. So you're going to be using the brown function or salt function. Once your pot is hot enough, you add your oil. Heat this up for few seconds. Then you add your diced onions. Once you add your diced onions, you let it fry in oil for a few seconds. Then you add your ginger and garlic paste. The link on how to make your own ginger and garlic paste will be in the description box. So once you add your paste, you fry for a few minutes. You have to do this for like 2 minutes so that the onions will be crispy enough. Don't fry for too long. Then you add your tomato paste. I use Paprika tomato paste. So you fry this for a few minutes to reduce the sourness of the tomato paste. Once you are done frying this, then you will add in your mixed pepper. I try to reduce the water quantity in the mixed pepper by heating up for a few minutes to dry it up. Yeah, you see if the water is not much, it's reduced water. And so you add this to your tomato paste and fry them together for a few minutes. So because the water quantity is reduced, you're not going to be fried for too long. So then you season it. I'll be using some curry, then some multipurpose spice, some thyme. This time with thyme too. Then you add some salt to taste. Then the paprika, yeah, I use paprika. This is for the color. And you keep on frying. And some salt to taste. So after adding the salt, you try to check if it's enough. Then I added some crayfish and some broth. The broth is actually very small. It's like half a cup broth. Then I'm going to be adding 6 cups water with the stock. That's 6.5 cup liquid. This is because I am using crockpot. I'm cooking 4 cups rice. It should be like 8 cups water, but because it's crockpot, I have to reduce the water considerably. Adding much water will make it saggy and mushy, and that's not the regular jollof rice. It's not going to be nice. It has to be dry and be separated, not saggy and mushy. So once the water is already cooked very well, then you add your rice, already washed rice. Then you cover, and it's going to take like 12 minutes. And once it's 12 minutes, the jollof rice is ready and done. Ready. Then you release this. You allow it stay for like a few minutes before you open because of the steam. So once you open, then you can now mix together. You stir and allow all the ones that are up mix very well. You see, the rice is ready, fully cooked, not soggy or mushy, and totally unburnt, not burnt at all. Isn't it nice? Then you serve out. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and have a nice weekend.